Hardened steel nozzles. Never again.
I'm gonna hide it. It will come in handy later on. Recently I've had a lot of issues with my printer. I've changed the nozzle to 0.6, which helped me a little bit, but every print had a lot of stringing. I've had to remove the strings from every print, which was really frustrating. I've decided to buy higher quality nozzle for once. I've read online that hardened steel nozzle pretty much is doomed with stringing. This time I've bought brass nozzle from Fetus. Right from the start I've noticed how well packaged it is. It really seems high quality. The nozzle itself even has a little Fetus logo on it, which is really cool. I've removed the steel nozzle and installed the brass one, it's 0.6 as well. I slightly bruised it with my tools, but it's not a big deal. Right away you can notice print quality improvement. There's way less stringing and I can print at lower temperatures. I definitely won't buy hardened steel nozzle again. Thanks everyone for watching. This was a shorter video, but I feel like it has to be made.